everyone, we're going to simplify these two rational expressions. There's several ways to do these. It just depends on what you're given. I think on the first one, what I'm going to do is just use this power property and call this a to the negative 1/3. And b, and you multiply these, you're using your power rule, to the 2/3. All right, when you do that, this we can't have any negative exponents. So we're going to put that in the denominator. So you get b to the 2/3 divided by a to the 1/3. Now what happens is this is actually the cube root of a. And you can't have radicals in the denominator. So what we're going to do is rationalize it by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by a to the 2/3. That's going to rationalize it because when you multiply the denominator here, you're going to get a to the 1/3 plus 2/3, which gives you a to the 3/3, which equals a to the first power. So in the denominator, we're just going to have a. And then in the numerator, you just multiply this out, and this is going to be a to the 2/3 times b to the 2/3. You can't combine these because they're different bases. These are different. And that would be your final answer there. Now we can try it the same method for the second one. So let's just multiply each term. So we have 8 to the negative 2/3 x. Now we're going to multiply these two. So that's going to be negative 12 over 3. That's a negative 4. And then when you multiply these two, you're going to get positive 18 over 3, which is 6. So these two have to go in the denominator. So we're going to get y to the 6th. And then we have 8 to the 2/3, y to the 4th. Now, y to the 4th is, x to the 4th. X to the 4th is fine because it's not a radical. Let's see what we can do with 8 to the 2/3. 8 to the 2/3 is cube root of 8 squared. So you can either square the 8 and then cube it, excuse me, or we can cube root the 8, which is 2, then square it. So basically we can go ahead and we don't have to rationalize it because we can evaluate this at equaling 4. So our final answer is y to the 6th power divided by 4x to the 4th. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.